So to work out the volume of this prism, we need to work out the area of the cross-section, that's the L-shaped cross-section at the front, and then multiply that by the length of consistency. Now the length of consistency will be its kind of depth, if you like. So that L shape you can see at the front here, this L shape at the front has a consistency through a length of 10. So really the job is to find the area of this compound shape. Now compound means it's made up of two rectangles, so usually you can do it both ways. I'm going to draw a dot down here, and I'm going to work out rectangle A and rectangle B. So A is straightforward. A will be 7 times 4, that's height and width. 7 times 4 gives me 28. Now B, we can see, is too high, so that's fairly clear, so it's going to be 2. But the other dimension is not 9, do not take 9. It is 9, which is the whole distance, subtract 4. So this distance here is 4, so the remaining distance will be 5. So rectangle B is 2 times 5, which is 10. So the area of the L shape is A plus B, which gives me 38. Put that 10 over there. So we now go back to our volume formula. The volume is the area at the front, which is 38, times the length of consistency, which is 10. So we get a final volume of 380 centimetres cubed for your answer. Okay, so this question, I can't really do it accurately just with my finger on the iPad device I use to make these videos, but I can give you a very good idea of what the answer should look like. So we're told a company's going to build a warehouse. The warehouse has got to be less than 30 from Burford, so Burford's here, and it's got to be less than 50 from Hightown. So we've got to shade the region on the map where the company can build the warehouse. So the important thing to look at here is the scale, and to be able to convert kilometre distances into centimetres. So it's fairly easy really. 30 kilometres divided by 10 kilometres will give me 3 centimetres. So I need to create the boundary region then that's 3 centimetres representing 30 kilometres from Burford. So I need to take a pair of compasses and draw a circle with radius 3 around Burford. Okay, so that's going to have to be 3 centimetres. I then go to Hightown at 50 kilometres, so you should see that that's going to be represented by 5 centimetres. So I'll do my 5 centimetre circle, so I mark the distance 5 centimetres, and then I use my compass, pair of compasses, and I do my circle around Hightown. Now I haven't drawn it to scale, you can see I'm just doing it freehand, but you will get an overlapping area which satisfies the condition. You must be within 30 kilometres from Burford and 50 kilometres from Hightown. So in the overlapping area you're satisfying both conditions, and so that is the region where the company can build the warehouse.